one
Wait,
of these
going.
I got one of these new remote machines like now. It's better than a remote car or remote plane. It's individual, you see. No one else has got one. It's the only one of its kind. And I only get 20 minutes out of him, but it's a good 20 minutes. Off he goes. Into the bush. Oh, he's off. He's off. He's going really well. He's going really well. He's going really well now.
Are you finished talking, James?
Oh, fucker! Quickly! Quickly! Oh, God! Bloody gone!
Oh, what's happened here then?
You see, his shoes come off. His shoes come off and he's fallen over. And this happens and I gotta take him up. He's heavier than human though, you see. He's all made of wires. So I have to climb like this.
Ah.